Fadhil, and my favorite food of all time is pizza. Today, I'm going to show you an easy way to make a healthy snack. It's homemade pizza. All you need is bread flour, active dry yeast, warm water, salt, sugar, and oil. Don't forget to prepare your favorite topping. First step. Place the warm water in the bowl. Mix with yeast, and sugar. Second step, add the flour, salt, and oil to big bowl. Mix the ingredients together and knead them by hand. Don't forget to wash your hand before you make a pizza. After finish, let the dough rise. Cover the dough with clean napkin. We wait until 30 minutes. The dough is ready. The dough is cooked with a fork. Next, we give a bolognese sauce and the topping on the pizza. With your parents' help to prepare the oven. I forget to tell you, put the oregano on the pizza to make pizza smells good. Bake the pizza about 10 until 15 minutes until the crust is brown and the cheese is golden. Yay, I'm success! Now, it's time for you to try cooking pizza at home.